Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the calculator program in Java. For that, first click on new class, then type the name of the program. Then click on OK and double click it and delete whatever it is there on the screen, and then type import java.util.asterisk semicolon. It is a package of Java, and then type the class name, that is calculator, then the semicolon, and then public static void main. Then again type a semicolon, and then scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. This will help you to take all kind of values, accept all kind of values throughout the program, throughout the running on the program. Now for making a calculator program, we have to take three variables, one for the operator, one for the first number, and another for the second number. For the operator, we can use the character data type, and for the numbers we can use the double data type. It will help you to accept all kind of decimal numbers as well as rational numbers, decimal numbers or rational numbers. So let us make the program. Type double a is equal to 0, double b is equal to 0, and char op is equal to 0, and then type a message. We have to type a message on the screen, that is entered a number, and then we have to accept the number by typing this. Then we have to print the message enter an operator. For that we have to type it like this, and then we have to accept the operator. So type op is equal to sc dot next, then parenthesis, and then dot, then char at, then a 0 within the parenthesis. Then we have to accept another value with a number, so we have to repeat this thing. Now we will type here b is equal to sc dot next double. Then we have to write the if statements. If operator is equal to plus then we have to add these two numbers, then c is equal to a plus b, but before this we have to take the variable c. So for that we have to type here double c is equal to 0, and then we have to repeat this for multiplication, subtraction, and division. here we have to put the minus sign, and here also we have to put the minus sign, and here we have to put the asterisk sign for multiplication, and then here we have to do the same, and here we have to put the division sign, and here again we have to put the division sign. And then at the end we have to print the value of variable C. So print it like this, and then here we have to end the program. So that's how we can make the calculator program in Java. And now let us run this program. So for that, click on the compile button, and then right click it, then click on void main. It is showing enter a number, so let us enter the number 5, and then it is showing enter an operator, so let us enter the number multiply. Let us enter the operator multiply, and then enter, it's showing enter a number, let us enter 7, the answer will be 35. So here comes the answer. So that's all for today. We can make this program in various other ways, and this is one of the simplest way to make this program. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like this video.